Hey guys, I'm Stan Prokopenko. Marshall and I have an exciting announcement. Marshall, you ready to do the promo?
Hey y'all, it's your boy Marshall Vandruff, and I'm here to tell you all about the fresh radio talk show I'm doing with Stan.
Marshall, I think you mean podcast, and it's called Draftsman.
Yeah, okay, anyway, we're going to be talking about all sorts of cool art stuff, how to make it rain those dollar bills as an artist and get those hearts on your art on your Instagram, and more.
Right. We're also going to be talking about some of our own stories and generally trying to make the podcast as entertaining and informative as possible.
That's right, Stan. Our goal is to always keep it Hundo P on the Draftsman Talk Show podcast.
Marshall.
Yeah, what up?
Did you change the script I sent you?
Yeah, I wanted to make sure our promo would reach your target demographic, so I went onto urbandictionary.com and borrowed a few words from your generation. I've really learned a lot on that site. Did you know that drawing lettuce isn't actually about drawing lettuce? Kids are clever.
Well, the podcast is coming out soon, so make sure to subscribe on iTunes, Spotify, or wherever else you listen to podcasts.
It's going to be so good.
What are you eating?
Just some avocado toast with organic apple on the side. Why? We can make this happen. We can do this podcast. We can get together and gonna have a grand time. And we're gonna talk to everyone who wants to tune us in throughout this land.